This video is gonna be super interesting. Let's go inside. One of the most cheapest pizza oven in the market, guys. I already did a video in California. $30,000 pizza oven versus $200 pizza oven. But today I find one even more cheaper. $79 pizza oven I'm going, and also that was a comparison with the Flame. But today I'm going to compare this cheapest pizza oven, really the cheapest one in the market, compared to this one, 20,000 plus pizza oven. We are going to compare electric professional oven with this, I think is a home pizza oven.
What is this?
We're going to make pizza here. Are you making some pizza?
Yeah.
So what are you doing now? So make your best pizza. Let's show our guests what pizza is with electric oven, because later in this video, that's why you need to watch until the end, we are going to make the same pizza, both of us together, and then for the first time ever I'm going to use this pizza oven. I'm going to compare it. I'm going to see the time, how the pizza looks, and how the pizza will be cooked. That's the most important thing. And then at the end we're going to see if this oven can make the same pizza as $20,000 pizza oven with just $79. Okay, what we got here? What kind of cream is this?
Pepper sauce, pepper cream.
Yeah? Pepper. Bell pepper.
Bell pepper. Fresh mozzarella.
Fresh mozzarella, okay.
Then sausage.
Ah, that's Italian sausage. Oh, in the meantime that you are making this pizza, I'm gonna go ahead and open up this oven, because it's a brand new oven. I can't wait to go ahead and compare it. Oh, that's 62, and that was like a 60 euros. So basically it's about $79 on Amazon. You ready?
Yes.
Go ahead, put it in the oven. I'm gonna go ahead and make the pizza in the same way how you make the pizza. Wow, it looks fantastic. So you got mushroom, roasted mushroom, and also sun-dried tomato.
Sun-dried.
Insane. Oh, smells so good. I can't wait to taste this pizza. Bye. Let's see how this professional pizza oven will cook the pizza. Let's see what's inside the box. Well, the box is really professional. It looks like an unboxing review. Guys, this video is not being sponsored by this company. So I just try to find the best for you guys. And then also I'm very curious. I never used this oven. I'm very curious how, if a $70 pizza oven can cook. What's this? What is? Maybe it's the peel. We got a pizza stone. I have to say, it's a super light pizza oven. Probably is about maybe, that's, oh my God. What's this? That's probably the peel. And that's the pizza oven. It's probably 1 kilo. Oh, pizza's ready, let's see. Wow. Wow, it's soft and crunchy in the same time. The goal of this video, this oven will make this pizza soft and crunchy. It will be approved by Maestro Iacopelli. It will beat the $20,000 pizza oven. Let's prepare this oven. I guess it's like this. Should be going like that. We're gonna hit this too. Wow, look at this pizza. It's lovely. Wow. I'm preparing the oven, it's almost ready. Let's go make the pizza. What are you doing? You just finished the whole pizza. Okay guys, everything is ready. I believe the cheapest oven is ready. The most important thing is the temperature on the bottom of the oven. So let's go ahead. The first thing to do is nice that I can also see from the top if the pizza is cooking. The bottom of this oven, it's 390 Celsius. And let's see the bottom of this one. 390. Exactly the same. Unbelievable. So this video is going to be tight. Are you ready? Let's make this pizza. So you guys can check out my channel. I have the best pizza dough that you can find on YouTube. This is mine. Of course, my pizza is gonna be a little bit smaller than yours. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut just a little bit, because the oven there is probably 12 inches. Pizza dough is 280. So let's go ahead and let's stretch the pizza. This is how we stretch. this guy, Loris, learned from me. So, let's see. He's gonna make the pizza soft and crunchy at the same time. Looking. Take off the flour, and the pizza, it's ready. Dun, dun. Voila. I'm gonna make a classic, not classic margherita. I'm gonna make something really nice. What do you got here? We got, you make your own special, I make my own special. Olive oil with parsley. Insane. Nice base.
I'm doing the yin and yang. It's margherita base with spicy salami and onion.
I'm gonna make something like that from my mind. So I'm putting some sausage, Italian sausage, Parmesan cheese, fresh mozzarella, sun-dried tomato, just a little bit, just to give a flavor, not too many. Actually, you know what? I'm gonna go ahead and cut it all. Boom, mine is ready. Buonanotte, Loris. Buonanotte.
I'm ready too.
We're gonna see, my oven is gonna win. A little bit of, actually no olive oil because it's already there. Let's go ahead and let's see the moment of the truth. Guys, this is the time to go ahead and smash that like, subscribe, and
Comment below.
watch until the end. Oh, it's the most important thing. Come on, come on. I'm using this one. Actually, you know what? Where is it? Where is it, my baby? Che c'è? Che c'è? Nobody's gonna use this beast. Mwah! I'm using my carbon fiber peel from G-Meta. So I'm gonna try to put this pizza in there. Hopefully, cross finger. Let's go. We're gonna go together. Loris, a little bit of flour. Put it on the peel. I'm not gonna make it too big, otherwise, adios amigos. Okay, I'm ready. Get yours. Okay, here we go. Let's open up. I'm gonna put mine first. I gotta try to figure out the center. I'm scared. Boom! My pizza, boom, is in the oven. Vai, Loris. Everything is gonna be live here. Don't take off anything. We're gonna see how long it's gonna take. I guess I'm not gonna turn it. I can see the pizza inside. If the pizza is cooking or not. Ooh. So I guess when the mozzarella starts to bubbling, the pizza is ready. We got the temperature, the max. We got the timer. Let's put, I guess 15 minutes. Yeah, 15 minutes, 15 minutes. Your pizza is almost ready. Your pizza there is almost ready. We got 400. Too bad it doesn't show the temperature. It's pretty fast, Loris. I think I'm gonna beat you with this little thing. Insane. The technology, what it's going to, it's insane. Check him out, by the way, on Instagram. You still gonna post some picture of the pizzas. Loris Reger. Instagram. Let's see how many followers you can get. Take it out and follow me too. Oh, wow. Wow, zoom that thing there. Ooh. Shh.
On the crust.
Wow. That's what I call perfection. Good job, Loris, with my dough. You actually made it with my observation. What are you putting?
Honey.
Honey! Hot, spicy salami with honey. Oh, mozzarella starts bubbling. The pizza is ready. A few minutes. 1, 2, 3. Oh, still white. Still white. Let's check out the bottom. The bottom is already cooked. No, it's too high. It's too high. If I had a screen, I would have put it. But I don't have a screen. And then it's burning on the top because the pizza is too puffy for this type of oven. So probably this is a good oven for the thin crust. You know what? Stretch one thin crust. I'm gonna see if this oven cooks the thin crust because the Neapolitan style is burning. We got smoke everywhere. Oh my God. We got smoke everywhere. Well, guys, it's time to take it out. I have to. I have to, otherwise it's gonna get burned. Woo. Voila. The pizza, boom. It's ready. That's how the pizza looks like. Hold on. Well, you know, I have to say, we're gonna test it with a thin crust, but this is the pizza. Avvicinati. This is the pizza. It's crunchy, it's a little bit not cooked here. The bottom looks okay to me. The charm, oh, I got all the, oh my God, all the ingredients. The smells so good. I mean, guys, let's put it right here. For a $79 versus $20,000, that's the bottom of this pizza. Of course, that's a perfection. It looks like it was cooking in the... Vai, make it. Just make a margherita. I'm gonna just test it out. Now, guys, comment below. You think, I'm gonna give this to you. I wanna know your opinion on this. $79 versus $20,000 pizza oven. Which one you think made it? I believe I made a decent pizza, really quick. I mean, that's a Neapolitan style. Let's put this beast inside and then I'll let you know right now what I think of this pizza. We got the body style. Did you make it thin? I don't know. It's not really thin. It's not super thin, but it's okay. Let's go ahead. Let's put it in. Va bene? Close it right away. And let's see how it goes. Okay, guys, the pizza. See? It come a little bit lightly better. Let's put it on the plate here. Let's turn it off because this thing, I'm probably not gonna use it anymore. Sorry, but this is thing to play around, not for me. Sorry, but to be honest, I can't say. So anyway, we got the crunch, the bottom looks good now. But this is a pizza a little bit thinner. I cannot make it bigger. This one was the Neapolitan style. Like you can see, the sides got a little bit of trouble on the sides. The bottom is okay, but because the heat is from the top, it got a little bit too burned on the top. We are talking about $79. What do you guys pretend? I have to say my honest opinion. I'm gonna taste it first. What do you think after all?
For me, it's not for the
Neapolitan style, no. You think it's worth it, $79? To play around. For me, to play around. Please, come here. We just compare $79. He's also a pizza chef, no English.
Non capisco inglese.
$79, vabbè, 70 euro. 20.000 euro, confronto a 69 euro.
Questa è un'opera d'arte, questa è...
Però secondo te, assaggia, let's taste it.
Vediamo come...
Let's taste both of them. Taste. The taste is fantastic. The crunch is there, for the ice is good. Now let's taste this one, because we have to judge it right. They both taste good. I have to say,
Another planet.
you know this. For $79, it's not bad. Great job, but it's not for me. To play around here and there. It was fast. It was like 20 minutes to warm up. Boom, I made pizzas. But you see, it's a little bit like that. But it's all right, you know, I like perfection. Vale $79 in confronto a 20.000, che dici tu?
Per farla a casa.
Siamo là, giocare, va bene?
Giocare.
Let me know what you think below. You wanna say hi, nothing? Thank you so much, guys, for watching. And that's another video. I'll see you next week with more stuff coming out. I'll see you later. And comment below. Comment below. I want to see your comment.